Welcome guys, let's start to design a simple part in Catia software. This is our 3D model part and 2D sketch is shown by here. It has some one circle here and two holes, and you can see all this part in this. So let's start to make this part in Catia. So for this, first of all, open your Catia software. In this Catia software, click on Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design, and give what your name you want to give. As usual, our first thing is to hide this all plane because we are not using this plane to design our part, and make sure you are in this geometrical shape and give call one point here with dimension as origin means x value 0, y value 0 and z value 0. So go to here insert comma and select this axis 16 and input of this origin of the axis system is our previously created point. Select this and press OK. So our first work is done. Now let's start design this part. We can design this part in ZY plane. So go to here sketch positioning, select this ZY plane and origin as a projected point with this point parallel to the line orientation this. Let's start to design this part. As you can see, this part is symmetrical one in this axis. So let's make this part only one form. So here you can see circle with radius value of 60. One circle with radius value as 60. So make one circle here first. Somewhere here we can make. Give dimension from this constraint. Value of this is 60 mm. Make sure somewhat up we can take this. This circle is actually it is 80. Now we can make this part from this, or this making an axis here. Now go to the line, make a rough sketch here. After this, this and also and this we have to take and go to your operation command. In operation command you can see here one trim command and select this line, so we can cut this line. Height of this is 18 upwards and go to your operation command and use trim command to cut this half circle, upper half circle, and give dimension here as a 30. From this to this is 180, so from here to here half of 180 is come, yes, 90, and from this following this to this 10 dimension is here, so we can zoom somewhat. This to this is 10, and here is one circle. So go to circle command, select one circle. The value of the circle is 20. Actually it is radius 20. No, it is diameter is 20. And this circle is from base it is also 20, and from this wax is also 10. And you want fillet also here. The fillet value is 20. This fillet is also 5. So go to fillet command or corner, give dimension here as a 5. And from center to this value is half of 120/60. Now this part is ready. Just we have to make mirror to this part. So click this line, select this line, press and hold Ctrl button and select all this line with respect to this circle also, and this horizontal line, and go to here mirror command. In this operation command, select y-axis. Now you can see our this similar part is come at other servers. So let's make sure to this part is fully consumed. So give some value for this axis. Now you can see it. This axis is fully consumed. So go to exit workbench and make sure you are before going to the pad command, make sure you are in the part body define object and click on this pad, select this to the sketch and give what your dimension you want to give. I will give 50. Now you can see our perfect 3D model in our Catia software.